Ah, the Ambrosia beetle, an intriguing creature. Not your ordinary pest, mind you. These tiny insects, no larger than a grain of rice, live in a symbiotic relationship with fungi. Here's the twist. They carry the spores in specialized pockets. Imagine that. Once they've burrowed into a tree, they cultivate their fungal garden. It's this fungus, not the wood, that feeds them and their larvae. But beware, for these tiny farmers can sometimes spell trouble for our forests. A tale of symbiosis, survival, and the occasional havoc. That's the Ambrosia beetle for you.